In 3D Max, sometimes we use 2D shapes to create flat surfaces or complex 3D objects. In these video tutorials, we are looking at the splines and their abilities. In Create panel, in Shapes tab, you can see splines from drop-down list. Also, there is extended splines that include shapes for arc designing. You can also select splines from Create menu and Shapes. As you can see here, there are 11 kinds of splines. If you click on each one, you can see their parameters at the bottom of panel. You can create each spline by click and dragging. Some splines, such as circle and rectangle, can be created simply by clicking and dragging mouse in the scene. Some, same as a star, creates in 2 steps. First, click and drag in the scene to define radius 1, and then release the left mouse button and move pointer to up or down to create radius 2. Finally, once click to complete the shape. The easiest one is text that just needs one click in the scene to be created. And the line has different way to create that. In next lesson we'll talk about it. Because the shapes are 2D, so just contain 2 axis constraints, and its axis depends to what view it has been created. For example, drawing a shape in the top view constrains the shape to the X and Y plane, whereas drawing the shape in the front view constrains it to the Z and X plane. As you can see, Y is the depth of the circle here, that in fact there is no depth for shape. A spline contains 3 sub-objects: vertex, segment, and spline. Vertex is a single point in the space. It can be anywhere, and all splines at least have 2 vertices. Segments can be linear or curved, and it is between 2 vertices. The splines have their own parameters, but they are very limited. For example, for circle, just can change its radius. For manually affecting on spline sub-objects, you need to use Edit Spline modifier or convert it to Editable Spline. You can choose Edit Spline from modifier list in Modify panel, or right-click on a spline, in Convert to submenu, choose Editable Spline. There is a subtle difference between applying the Edit Spline modifier and converting to Editable Spline. When converting a shape to Editable Spline, we will not have access to its base parameter anymore, and in Modifier stack just can see a single name. But when applying Edit Spline in Modifier stack, you can see both name of shape and modifier. Can select shape from there to access its base parameters, and even can change them. But the advantages of Editable Spline is that its sub-objects can be animated. Let's see. I had applied Edit Spline modifier to this shape. Just select its vertex, auto key is on. I move its vertex, but nothing record. I try with another shape that converted to Editable Spline.